Oh jeez, that's loud. Why would I do this? Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna, do this. Okay. So there, I set up the video. Are you proud of me? Anyway, hi, I am Evie Love Sprite 12, and yes, I play Animal Jam. This is my account, Devin 2014, and this is my den, huh? And as you can see, I am playing as a snow leopard, but I just got this bad boy in the Wooshie Woo giveaway. I screamed so hard that I actually can't scream anymore. I think I lost my scream. That happened to my cousin once. But anyway, I'm gonna try and scream. Okay. So yeah, this is my den. Do you like it? If you don't, yeah, I don't care. Huh? And then we have this beautiful Warrior Cats masterpiece I made like I don't know how long ago. Ooh, okay. Since when did this get? Oh wait, why did I just like it? Since when did this get like 3 likes? How did somebody? Oh wait, they probably saw it on my trade, huh? And I also made this one. And you may be wondering why I, in the Robo Eevee video thing, why I. Does this even have likes yet? No, it can't have likes. I thought like okay, it's currently being reviewed by Ajikokua, huh? AKA AJHQ. But anyway, let's watch the Caterpillar show while I sit on here and tell you what had happened. I was going to the whoosh stream, and I was just sitting there spamming my username, just Control V, just over and over until I just got like told and just like no, you have to like YouTube basically just told me just like okay, can you please stop spamming whoosh. He does not like this. Please stop spamming him. Here, you are on cooldown for like I don't know how long, a minute. Ah, it's my cat. Hi, Snowy. Hi. Hi, Snowy. I know you hate me, but at least say hi. Snowy, say hi. Snowy. Meow. This isn't working. Come on, say hi. Please. Okay, she's not gonna say hi, huh? Anywhoozles. Okay. So I was just sitting there spamming my username, and then hold on, I need to mute this for a moment until this happened. Hold on, I'm just gonna. Hold on. Wait, no, stop. What did I do? Hold on, wait a minute. Wait, hold on, I need to turn this up. No, what did I do? Heck, I need to be here, huh? I'm trying to like resume the live stream to like I don't even know when I was when I was given the spike. Hold on, it was like over here, I think. No, it was like it happened in Coral Canyons. What am I doing? It happened in Craig Canyons. Craig Canyons, totally. It happened, I'm pretty sure, right here. So, just right. Look at that! Look at this, watch. This is what happened. This is what happened. This is my account, Devin 2014. Apparently I changed my name tag because like I wanted it to match my outfit. You saw that, right? He just sent me that, and I was screaming deep down. Hold on, I can resume this now. I was like, I can't do it. Okay, I can't scream, but I was screaming like a child would when it didn't get their macaroni noodle cup on time. So, that happened. And then I thought I need to make an outfit with this right away. So then I clicked on this koala and monkey symbol. I went down, clicked on the paw print, and then I don't have enough money because I'm poor. But anyway, I clicked here. And then I named it something. I forgot what I named it. Hold on, I need to fix that. Hold on, I need to find out. I named it. What did I name it? Hold on, wait, no. I need to like all that. I need to like. I don't even. Okay, I have to leave and then go back to my den for the thing to do it. Okay. Okay, I named myself Infinity Goldenberry because it's cool. It was the first thing that actually showed up, and I'm just like, you know what, Animal Jam, thanks for that name. But now I'm gonna, change that back. Okay. So then I decided to click on this, and then like let's just pretend these aren't here. Hold on, I need to like put it back to normal. It was like this. It was like this. So then I click this, and then I click this, and then I went over here and clicked this, and then that was made. So then I clicked this, and then this, and then this, and then I have that. So now I have this, and then I'm walking around my den. I'm dancing, spamming this emoji, and it's just a really successful day. A really gosh darn successful day. Now I'm gonna do my Sylveon voice. Hey guys, this is Sylveon. I came here all of a sudden. I don't even know why. Why am I here? Why am I on Eevee Wolf Sprites 12's Animal Jam account? What? Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna bring Eevee Wolf Sprite back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and okay. This is one of my masterpieces, and you may be wondering why I drew Eevee different in the Robo Eevee animation. That's because Eevee doesn't have this fluffy of a face. That's why. And I'm not good at animating, which is why there was barely any animation. So yeah, this is my one Osei. My Osei. Okay, then it's my Osei, and his name is Yugi. I know that's like a character from like, I don't know, an anime. Hold on, I'm just gonna search this up just because. No tab. It's just like, oh no, wait, no, stop. Okay, Yugi. Let's just see what. Isn't this like a man from? Oh, huh. So this is what Yugi is. This is a Shiba. This is like, no, this is not like an anime character. This is a. Okay, it's like this guy is. What is he from? Why is like in my search history koala? Anyway, back onto topic. So I was dancing. I was spamming the face emoji, and then I thought I'd just like, I don't know, make a post on Facebook about it because I have Facebook. Because like, you know, every person has. Back on topic. So anyway, I'm just gonna do this quick den tour. So here we have the living room where I have two masterpieces. I have this one that's still getting approved. I forgot what I drew here, to be honest. I really forgot. Thought it had something to do with Eevee, but then I have my pet's tiny living area. We have this guy. I named him. I don't even remember his. I'm pretty sure his name was like Microchip or something. I forgot this guy's name. Wait, didn't I name him Angry Bunny? Hold on, did I name him Angry Bunny? Because, you know, he's angry. Hold on. No, his name is Angry Lemon. And I'm pretty sure this guy's Micro Pebble. This guy, I don't know why I named him Mossy Sprinkles. You'll see him later in the tour. And then we have this cat here and this duck here. They're so adorable. And then we come over. Why is Mossy Sprinkles with me all of a sudden? Why is somebody online? My Bond 38! Yes! Okay, oops, this Jammer's Den is locked. Wait, hold on. Why is it saying, what is happening? Okay, I'll talk to her after this video. So then we have this area with a falcon archway, a little falcon chair, and the Greely's wardrobe. And then, out here, we have my cats in real life. This is Snowy. That's what she looks like. But she has like more stripes, but that's the closest I can get. And this is Shadow. They don't actually have collars, but you know, I made them have collars just because. And then I have my plushies. Ow, that was my foot. If you didn't hear that bang, I was like bending my chair and then my foot was like underneath it and then it just got crushed underneath the chair leg. But anyway, that's basically my den. There's nothing to it. And also, yet again, I'm showing you this again because I love my life. Yellow Fang from Warrior Cats because I am such a thug. Anyway, that's my video. Anyway, I'm gonna end it now. I need some water. I really desperately need some water. There is spit all over my keyboard, and I also need paper towel. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this random video that I made just because I like screamed my scream away. But why is my way open? I don't even know. So yeah, I desperately need some water. Please stop watching.